Hi everybody, this is Ann. Today we continue with our series of videos on must-have pottery tools. The shrink ruler is an invaluable tool when trying to create pottery that needs to be an exact size after it's high-fired. It comes in handy for me when I need to throw my best-selling 5-inch mugs or when people ask me to alter the size. The shrink ruler has 4 clay shrinkage percentages marked to accommodate the expanded size of pre-fired clay. My clay shrinks 14% after it's fired. I want this mug to be 5 1/4 inches tall. I'll cut it at the 5 1/4 inch on the 14% side. Here you can see that when a freshly thrown mug is 5 1/4 inches on the shrink ruler, it'll shrink to 5 1/4 inches on the regular ruler. The next tool I use all the time is this handmade notch stick. If you don't want to make one, this commercial tool, the Ultimate Edger, is based on the same premise and can be used in the same way. The notch acts as a profile to create a nice edge to the foot of the pot. I then turn the stick over to the sharp edge to undercut the foot and clean up the clay bits. Here's a mug finished using this tool. As you can see, the Ultimate Edger has several options of profiles to use on feet, rims, lids, etc. This edger is the larger one, more appropriate for bowls. This particular profile is useful for rounding off this rim. This profile is a good one to use on the foot of a bowl. These tools really make your pieces look sharp. The next tool is called a trimming spinner. Potters typically use it to assist in trimming, but I use it to make accurate divisions on rim and feet. Let's say I want to divide this rim into thirds. I find the 1/3 circle, which is the color blue. The 3 blue lines around the edge of the spinner are the points that divide the spinner into thirds. If I want to divide the rim into fourths, I find the 1/4 circle, which is gray. This time I find the gray lines around the spinner edge, which divide the circle into fourths. Here's how it works. Let's say I want to alter the rim of this mug and need to divide it into thirds. I balance a wide modeling stick on top of the mug and center the spinner on top. Again, for thirds, I need to find the blue lines. I use my needle tool to extend out from the blue line to the rim. Where this touches, I make a slight mark. Here's an example where I divided the foot of the mug into thirds to create a 3-footed mug. On this mug, I divided the bottom of it into fourths to create a squared foot. Here are some new tools that I've fallen in love with. These are hand extruders. You can see this one has a lovely faceted profile. On the back, you can see a depth guide to keep you from gouging too far down into the clay when you make the cut. I simply cut along the flat part of a clay block, like so. As you can see, it cuts a nice shape for a handle blank. If your clay cut is too thin or thick, simply loosen the screw to adjust the depth guide and push the guide sled upward or downward depending on your needs. This cut now keeps the blade from cutting as deep as the first handle blank. This cutting tool does the same thing, except the cut has a flat, rounded profile. The third one has a nice indented profile on top. I'll use these handles on mugs, but I can't wait to explore other uses for them. This last one is the thick grouting sponge. This sponge is the best I have found to clean up stubborn clay messes. It's so absorbent, I can put it in a container of water and it'll sop it all up at once. I can take tools that have stubborn caked-on clay. I simply rub them over the wet sponge, and they're as clean as a whistle. I hope these tools help you save time, improve your craftsmanship, and inspire you to be creative with your pottery. I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe if you like our videos. See you next time in the... Hey everybody! When we started this channel over a year ago, we just had no idea what a nice reception we'd get. We hope you've enjoyed all our videos. And we'd like to celebrate our 1-year anniversary with you by doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving away these 2 mugs. This first one I am working on as part of a possible series that I'm going to be doing. And this mug here was done by Clay Bottoms, who is the host of the Pottery Video Awards. Now the contest is only open to residents of the continental United States just because of all the shipping and stuff. To enter, all you need to do is hit the like button, subscribe, and put a comment in the comments below that says, "I love clay." Now, if you're already a subscriber, just hit the like button and then leave the comment below. Now, the winner will be randomly drawn on July 1st, and I'll respond to the winner in the comment section below. So be sure to check back on July 1st to see if you've won. Be sure to check the description section for all the contest details. Thank you for all your support. We look forward to bringing you more entertainment and inspirational videos in the future.